The 2018 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features, including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, remote engine start, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, keyless start, aluminum wheels. Your new ride is just a phone call away.